Hey gorgeous, welcome back to my channel, and today I have another makeup tutorial for you guys. I hope you guys like this look. Thank you guys so much for watching my video and enjoy. To fill in my brows, I am going to use the brow powder by Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade dark brown. Now I am going to carve my eyebrows using Tarte's Shape Tape in the shade medium, and I am carving them out using my detailed brush by Real Techniques. As the eyeshadow base, I am going to use Soft Ochre Paint Pot by MAC. This one applies kind of dry, so you do have to work very quickly. For today's look, I will be using Jaclyn Hill's palette in collaboration with Morphe, and I'm going in with that yellow color. It's called Axis, and I am applying that one all over my crease as my transition color. And here I am just reinforcing that color to make sure it doesn't move around. Moving on to the next eyeshadow, I am going in with Secure. And I am applying that one on top of Axis, the previous color. Notice how my brushes get smaller and smaller. Here I am using a blending brush, but this brush that I'm using here is Morphe's M573. And this is just to make sure that I can get in there and apply the product better. Now I am going in with that green eyeshadow, and that one is called Top Secret. The brush that I'm using here is also a smaller brush than the previous one, and it's Morphe's M514. I'm using this brush because I don't want the eyeshadow to go everywhere, so I kind of want to have more control of the eyeshadow. Using a concealer, I am going to carve out just half of my eyelid to apply the glittery eyeshadow. Now I'm going in with Classified and applying it all over my eyelid. This eyeshadow is not so pigmented, so you do have to go over it several times. For my brow bone, I went ahead and used Guilt Trip, and I'm patting that just there. I'm using Milani Stay Put Matte Liquid Liner. I'm using this nude color on my waterline. I'm using L'Oreal's Infallible Primer. And for concealer, I am using KKW's concealer. I love how it's super creamy and blendable. Guys, so my sister-in-law put me on game with this foundation. Oh my god, I love it. This one is the Huda Beauty's foundation. I am in the shade 310G. I'm already. That's the name of the shade. And oh my god, I've been using it for a week and I love it. It is full coverage, just how I like it. So I am going to contour my face using KKW Beauty contour stick. To set my foundation, I will be using Huda Beauty's loose powder in the shade Blondie. Here I'm setting my under eyes. I'm going to smoke out my under eye using Smooth Criminal eyeshadow. And we're pretty much done. Wait, to enhance my eyes, I am going to go in with VIP and apply that one in my inner corner. Now I have to do my lips, and I will be lining them using MAC's Aim to Please lip pencil. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching.